So guys, how to make selective color effect in CapCut? It's really simple. Let's make a new project. Then select the video you want, suppose this one. Then add it. Move to the end of the video. Delete the extra CapCut part. Tab on the plus. Add the same footage again. Then select the first footage. Now search for overlay. This one. Now select the first layer. Then look for adjust, saturation, bring it down. Then check it. Then select the overlay, cutout, chroma key, color picker, pick the color, intensity, increase the intensity, then the shadow, totally up to you, and the footage. Then again we can use the color picker to have the proper area selection. Suppose we are happy with this, then check it, go back, look for adjustment, adjust, saturation, decrease the saturation, check it, then the original layer, adjustment, bring the saturation up to 0. Done. We have our selective color effect. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.